What's up guys, my name is Vinay Singh. I hope you have a fantastic day. And today I want to introduce you the capital of India, Delhi city. I'm here for 24 hours for some business meeting. In my opinion, if you are in India, bus has always been a good as compared to train. It's affordable. I just paid rupees 325, whereas train cost you rupees 1000 from Ludhiana to Delhi. This is a brand new bus from Punjab government and it's very comfortable. And now I need to go to the right side and there is an elevator for this. Wow. I am not looking good at this time because I slept a lot in a bus. Well, this is an Indian flag given by the lady and she told me that we help the poor kids. So if you want to help with the money, and I gave her just 10 bucks. And now I am going to the hotel and I am sitting in the rickshaw. Actually, this street is so congested, so instead of a cab, I think rickshaw is good. Well, my turban color and rickshaw color is same. This man is really working hard and it's very difficult job. Finally, I arrive at the hotel and the hotel name is Sunshine. It's in a Karol Bagh and I booked the hotel from Oyo application, which is very famous in India. I'm very tired and let's go inside the room. My room number is 301. Oh wow, it's awesomely beautiful. There is a water bottle and breakfast included in this price and I paid rupees 890 for 24 hours. Check-in and check-out time is 11 to 11. This bed is beautifully designed. It has a good night LED lights, full-size mirror and LED television, and a wooden almirah. It's small but very nice. Washroom is very small but very clean. There is an Italian toilet seat, shower, hot water, each and everything. Because I booked from Oyo and they provide blanket to the hotels. Nice. There is also one sitting area which is good for meeting, work and to eat something. That's good. Water is a life. And now I am going to the outside to eat something and my room is on the 3rd floor and let's go to the ground floor. Khul ja sim sim. Third floor, ground floor. He is a receptionist and a nice person. The sitting area of the hotel. I found a street vendor which is near to my hotel and he is making the samosa and I am a samosa kind of person. Gas flame is fully high. I think it will be ready within a few minutes. He is also selling the kadhi chawal and the rajma chawal in the morning. This shop is very small but it has a huge menu. They have a two kind of chutneys. Red is made from tamarind and green is made from green chili and coriander, which is my favorite. And look at this, how he is making the samosa. Actually, samosa stuff is finished now and he is making the empty samosa like a matti for the next day breakfast. Seems like he's very expert. Samosas are ready. Let's eat one samosa and one bread pakoda. I ordered the paneer stuffed bread pakoda. And here is my one samosa and one bread pakoda. It's very hot. And it cost me total rupees 25, 10 samosa and 15 bread pakoda. And look at this, it's dangerously looking beautiful. Well, there is a one layer of paneer, 2 layers of potatoes. It's pretty nice and fluffy. Samosa, the masterpiece. You can see the smoke from the samosa because it's ultra fresh and very hot. And I take only a green sauce. I'm not a fond of sweet sauces. Let's have a bite of bread pakoda with green sauce. I am fond of this green color. Oh yeah, this paneer is providing the refreshing touch in the bread pakoda. Well, that is a crazy bread pakoda. Now it's time for the samosa. It's too oily, but at the same time it's very crispy. And the potatoes are perfectly mashed with lot of ingredients. It's really good, then unbelievably crispy. Well, I feel so right. Now I am back in the hotel. Let's go to the room and take a long sleep. Tomorrow I have a business meeting and it's 8 p.m. here, so I want to sleep a little bit early. And I'm very excited for tomorrow's breakfast because it's included in the price. And I'm always fond of hotel cushions. This is a red cushion and I think this is from the Oyo. Well, good night for today and see you tomorrow. Sweet dreams. Well, yesterday night was amazing. I'm ready to go for the meeting, but before that, breakfast is important. Here is the menu, which is very costly, but my breakfast is included because I booked the room from Oyo. Dun-dun-dun. Finally, someone knocked the door and it's definitely a breakfast. This hotel is very punctual, 8 a.m. and breakfast is on the table. Thank you, sir. Well, it looks so unbelievably good. 4 puris, mashed potatoes, pickle and a tea. Well, this puri is very big in size and ultra soft. It's almost fit in my hand. Mashed potatoes. It has a tomato, green chili, red chili and some homemade stuff. Pickle. Well, I'm not a pickle kind of person in the morning. And the 2 cups of tea in a Milton kettle. I think this breakfast is for 2 people. Let's put the tea in a cup. I think I should clean the cup. Sometimes things are happened. I cannot live without perfect Indian tea. Now take the first bite of the puri. It is so awesomely beautiful. Puri aloo is one of my favorite breakfasts, especially in hotels. Well, these mashed potatoes look so creamy. Well, it's so perfectly salty, it's so tender, but almost at the same time the puri is in a gummy texture. This tea has a very powerful flavor. I love it. Let's take the second bite. I told you this is some kind of gummy in texture. This time I want to eat with the green chili. It's so spicy and so herbaceous. Oh yes. Now just one puri is pending and I want to do something different. Let's make the puri taco stuffed of mashed potato. Let's add the mashed potatoes in the center of the puri. Now fold the puri from left and right side. It's look like a V-shaped puri. Indian style taco. And now it's just a one bite duty. This is something I have never ever seen, a Indian style taco. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the thumb button, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first on my next video. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video. God bless you and your family.